The Ahmaud Arbery murder trial. A nearly all-white jury has been selected for the case of 3 white men accused of killing an unarmed black man while he was jogging near his Georgia home early last year. Steve Osensami is at the courthouse in Brunswick, Georgia. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning to you, Michael. It's taken them weeks here in South Georgia to seat a jury in the trial against the 3 white men accused of murdering Ahmaud Arbery. And this morning, the race of the jurors selected has some people questioning whether this trial can be fair.
Of the 12 jurors here who will be sworn in tomorrow, 11 of them are white and only 1 of them is African American, in a community where nearly 1 out of every 3 residents is black.
We asked the court to find that the state has made its prima facie showing of racial discrimination.
The issue of color is at the heart of the case, with prosecutors arguing that the young black man who was killed would never have been stopped by the white men with guns if he too were white. In court Wednesday, the judge said out loud that the jury could have been more diverse.
This court has found that there appears to be intentional discrimination in the panel. Quite a few African-American jurors were excused through preemptory strikes exercised by the defense. But that doesn't mean that the court has the authority to reseat.
Finding potential jurors who haven't already picked a side here has been tough. A number of potential jurors were dismissed because they were family friends or even former co-workers of 2 of the accused. On trial are Travis McMichael, his father Gregory McMichael, and a neighbor, William Roddy Bryan Jr. The 3 are accused of murder, aggravated assault, false imprisonment, and criminal attempt to commit false imprisonment. They are pleading not guilty. This video of what happened has been seen around the world. In February of last year, 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery is seen here being gunned down after the 3 men are seen chasing him in the street. The young man's family says he was out jogging, but attorneys for the McMichaels say that the shooting victim is the same person seen walking around in these surveillance videos from a home under construction down the street from Travis McMichael's home. The McMichaels say they saw Arbery walking away from that construction site again shortly before the shooting and say that the shooting was justified under Georgia's citizen's arrest statute, which was the law at the time. Overnight, Arbery's mother told ABC News she's looking forward to seeing justice come from this trial.
Everything that I prayed for, God has given it to me. And I know I've prayed and asked for justice for my son, and I'm sure that he'll give me that as well.
Back at the State House in Atlanta, there was outrage over the citizen's arrest law that these 3 men are trying to use in this case. That law was repealed by lawmakers on both sides of the aisle. This trial is expected to start in earnest on Friday and last a couple of weeks. Michael.
All right, Steve, ABC News Live will have extensive daily coverage of the trial beginning this Friday.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.